There are some changes happening to the way chartered accountants are trained that you need to be aware of. The new Chartered Accountants program launches in 2013. It will be jointly delivered by the New Zealand Institute of Chartered Accountants and the Institute of Chartered Accountants in Australia. It is a 3-year program that aspiring CAs will study in order to attain the coveted Chartered Accountant designation. While the way in which you become a Chartered Accountant has changed, the high standards for admission as a CA will be maintained. This rigorous new program will turn the best candidates into the brightest thinkers, with the skills and ethical compass to shape the face of business. The new Joint Chartered Accountants program uses facilitators with the best knowledge and skills from both sides of the Tasman. It also recognises the closer economic ties of our two countries and the evolving trans-Tasman employment market. This new common program supports trans-Tasman mobility for our members. What does this new program look like? The Chartered Accountants program comprises 4 technical modules and the capstone module. Candidates will complete the 3-year program while fulfilling their 3 years of practical experience. The program will incorporate modern technologies and teaching methods. There's a blend of face-to-face and online learning, which will meet the changing needs of employers and the new demands of candidates. What's more, the online learning component is accessible anywhere there's an internet connection. The technical modules are taxation, audit and assurance, management accounting and applied finance, and financial accounting and reporting. These compulsory modules are like the cornerstones of accounting education for your staff. This is where they'll acquire the breadth of knowledge and technical expertise your business requires. Following successful completion of the technical modules comes the capstone module. While candidates complete these modules, they will undertake 3 years of practical experience. The taxation module examines relevant taxation law and its application to various tax entities like small businesses, companies and trusts. Candidates will learn to explain and calculate the taxation consequences applicable to a range of real-life scenarios, including a comprehensive case study which is integrated throughout the module. The Audit and Assurance module examines the process of auditing and its underlying concepts. Candidates will be expected to reference and apply the auditing standards and to apply their knowledge to a case study throughout the module. The Management Accounting and Applied Finance module covers the application of management accounting principles and applied finance in various practical scenarios. Candidates will gain the skills and knowledge to identify, analyse, interpret and communicate information to help an organisation manage its resources and achieve its strategic goals. The Financial Accounting and Reporting module will develop candidates' understanding of the framework for financial accounting. This will enable them to reference and apply accounting standards and pronouncements to various practical scenarios. Included in the many learning outcomes will be foreign exchange, leases, impairment of assets, and accounting for subsidiaries. The capstone module is the final part of the Chartered Accountants program. It integrates knowledge and skills from the technical modules and work experience to develop the professional competence candidates will need to perform in a range of business contexts. It includes a comprehensive case study based on a real company, which will integrate everything that candidates have learned in their technical modules. Capstone also develops critical thinking. Candidates will develop their professional skills in ethics, communication and leadership in 3 face-to-face workshops. How candidates are learning in your office will look different in 2013. You may have some of your staff completing the current program, such as Foundations or PAS PCE, while others will be starting the new Chartered Accountants program. The old program meant staff were out of the office in 7 workshops, but there are no workdays affected in the new program. However, 10 hours a week of study outside work will be required for each of the modules over 12 to 14 weeks. The practical experience requirements for candidates in the Chartered Accountants program may mean that employers will need to be recognised as ATOs, and mentors may be active for longer. Members were consulted during April and May 2012 on changes to the practical experience requirements. The final practical experience requirements will be announced later in the year. The technical modules are offered during trimesters beginning February, June and September, so you can plan your staff's enrolments to avoid peak periods for your business. The mandatory face-to-face workshops in the capstone module are held during weekends, so your staff are not out of the office as often. Here are the key dates you'll need to take note of. Enrolments begin in late 2012. February 2013 sees the launch of the new Chartered Accountants program, and in 2015, PAS and PCE will end. Further dates will be confirmed with you later in the year. We'll be contacting you frequently throughout the year with information on the new Chartered Accountants program and to share the milestones of the project as the new program is developed. There is a range of information on nzeka.com/CA program. For more information, contact the New Zealand Institute of Chartered Accountants on 0800 4NZEKA or email us at caprogram@nzeka.com.